Hey, did you blow a house?
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
You blow up my friend's house. And this hat?
Trash. And why did you do that? I'm a robber.
Oh, you are a robber?
Ah! Where did she go? Ah!
That is you forgot.
Ah. Ah.